Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we'll be working on this beautiful looking pattern. This pattern can be used in your jean sweater, lady sweater, and also you can knit this in your hat. See, this is the look of this pattern. I have done with this border, and this is the pattern. I have done 4 repeats here. This is 1 repeat, 2 repeat, 3 repeat, and 4 repeat. See, this is the look of this pattern. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. You will knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch for every wrong side rows. See, so this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 8 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 8 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration, I have 18 stitches on my needle, which is 8 plus 8 16 and 2 edge stitch 18. So row 1 right side, row 1 right side, your edge stitch, knit on the right side, knit on the right side, and start the repeat from here for repeat pattern. Yarn in front, purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3 and knit 2, 1 2 and purl 3, 1 2 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 2, 1 2, and then purl 3, 1 2 3. This is the repeat pattern, and you will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have. And after you, we have one more repeat here. Repeat that again. Purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, knit 2, 1 2, knit 2 and purl 3, 1 2 and 3, and your edge stitch, knit on the right side. We have done 2 repeats, your edge stitch, knit on the right side. And now row 2 right side, wrong side. For row 2 wrong side and every wrong side rows, you will knit on edge stitch and purl stitch. So your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side, slip purl wise on the wrong side, and start the repeat from here for repeat pattern. Knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, and then purl 2, 1 2, knit 3, 1 2 and 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 3, 1 2 3, purl 2, 1 2, and knit 3, 1 2 3. This is the repeat. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat. Knit 3, 1 2 3, and purl 2, 1 2 and knit 3, 1 2 and 3. And your last edge stitch, and in front, purl on the wrong side. Row 3 right side. For row 3 right side, your edge stitch, slip on the right side, and start the repeat from here for repeat pattern. Purl 2, purl 2, and then twist 2 to the right way. This knit stitch, we are going to twist this knit stitch to the right way. So bring this stitch here from the front side and twist it to the right way, and place it on your left hand needle. Now from these two, slip 1, slip this twisted stitch, slip 1 and knit 1, this 2 stitch, and here these 2, twist this stitch to the left way. So bring this stitch here from the back side and twist this stitch, knit stitch, to the left way. Place it on your left hand needle, and then from these two, knit 1, and slip 1, and then purl 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, twist 2 to the right way, from that twist 2, slip 1, knit 1, twist 2 to the left way, from that twist 2, knit 1, slip 1, and then purl 2. This is the repeat. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat. Again, purl 2, 1, 2, twist 2 to the right way, bring this stitch here from the front side, and from this 2, slip 1, knit 1, twist 2 to the left way, bring this purl stitch here from the back side, and from this 2, knit 1 and slip 1. Last 3 stitch, and then purl 2, 1, 2. We have done 2 repeats, 1, this is 1 and this is 2. Your edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side purl wise, and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat. Knit 2, 1, 2, and then purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and knit 2. Again, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then knit 2, 1, 2, and your last edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Now row 5. For row 5, your edge stitch, slip on the right side, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1, twist 2 to the right way, this stitch, this one stitch and this one purl stitch, twist it to the right way. So bring this stitch here from the front side, place it on your left hand needle, and from this 2, slip 1, knit 1, and here knit 2, 1, 2, twist 2 to the left way, bring this purl stitch here from the back side, and from this 2, knit 1 and slip 1, and here one purl stitch, purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, twist 2 to the right way, from that twist 2, slip 1, knit 1, and knit 2, twist 2 to the left way, from that twist 2, knit 1, slip 1, and purl 1. Repeat that again. Purl 1, twist 2 to the right way, from the twist 2, slip 1, knit 1, and knit 2, 1, 2, twist 2 to the left way, from the twist 2, knit 1, slip 1, and one purl stitch, purl 1. We have done 2 repeats, and your edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 6 wrong side, row 6 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and knit 1. That's the repeat. Knit 1, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and knit 1. Repeat that again. Knit 1, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then knit 1. Your last edge stitch, and in front, purl on the wrong side. Now row 7. For row 7, your edge stitch slip on the right side, slip knitwise on the right side, and start the repeat from here. See, we have here 1 purl stitch. Now twist this stitch to the right way, and from these two slip 1, knit 1, and here in between of these two knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, and then twist 2 to the left way, bring this purl stitch here from the back side, and knit 1, slip 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Twist 2 to the right way, from that twist 2, slip 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, twist 2 to the left way, from that twist 2, knit 1, slip 1. Repeat that again, twist 2 to the right way, from the twist 2, slip 1, knit 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, twist 2 to the left way, from the twist 2, knit 1, slip 1. See, we have done 2 repeats, and your last edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 8, wrong side, last row, purl all stitches, because we have all purl stitches on this row, so purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. See, this is 1 repeat. Now repeat these 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length, and after your few repeats your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.